along with the Kia India vision, mobility solution provider that enrich lives, along with our strategic move plan S, planet, people and profit. Along with these values, I hope and I wish to have a long way to go along with Kia. Hello everyone, this is Madhan Shanmugam. I have been in a part of Kia family since 2018. I work for assembly section, specialist in production line. I chose Kia with its inspired values and cultures behind. Being in a part of fantastic team and the great leadership, I can able to showcase my talents and bring up my skills to a good productivity output along with the team as a teamwork. And still I remember my best part of proud moment in Kia is the line which behind me we have produced the first vehicle Seltos and I am cranked the vehicle and vehicle starts in a first crank. The Kia value which I love most and follows daily is care for people. As a part of production team, manpower is my huge asset. So understand the needs of member and give the training and skill to them which bring up the result with the great productivity without flaw and we can able to easily achieve our KPI. My career goal at Kia, the way which I have came from as a team leader to the supervisor and I was worked for trim, chassis, final, okay as well as repair. So along with the Kia India vision, mobility solution provider that enrich lives, along with our strategic move plan S, planet, people and profit. Along with these values, I hope and I wish to have a long way to go along with Kia.
Kia, movement that inspires.